going to be crazy. Put your money in like stocks, stocks, foreign currencies, Bitcoin, gold. Just get it out of the dollar. Imagine they hike, dude. If they hiked rates, okay, we can have a conversation. But still, it doesn't address our spending problem. It doesn't address our debt issue. Like now that gold is the most held currency by governments, I mean, the treasury bond is not looking that hot. I mean, let's check out bond yields. Let's take a look at like 10-year. Okay. UST note futures. Okay. Let's take a look at that on the daily. They haven't spiked yet, so it's not over yet. When these start to spike, bro, get out. This is the can, bro. The can is here. Let's see. Is there another one? Like maybe we can do 5-year. I guess 30-year works. Uh-oh. It's just doing its thing, all right? Bro, but look at this. I mean, this was COVID, obviously. So we're back to normal. Actually, honestly, this used to be way worse. Look, this is where we're headed, though, I bet. Because what was it, 79 when gold spiked? You didn't see gold spikes this crazy and that long? Bro, we're just getting started. I think we end up here. I think we triple up to here. I think we could see definitely some bond yield spikes. So, I mean, I guess if you want to, what would it be? Would you buy treasury bonds here? Also, gold looks like it's getting a crazy setup for shorts. I'm not gonna lie. We talk about gold now in PM. We just took high a day. This is a dumb candle if I've ever seen. Wow, look at this 5 minute. I mean, look at that. Death candle. Only problem is, I mean, when gold is this bullish, obviously sentiment's probably gonna prevail. So doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna reverse, but just something to look at here. Wow, look at this. Obviously, all eval trades with gold here. Your break even's about to hit there. All right, there's your break even. Um, Basically, I would just go break even there. I mean, that's up 10 handles already. If you guys are looking for the futures ticker to trade, it's MGC6. Okay, MGCG6. Okay, if you want the uh, mini, basically, it's GCG. Okay. Your first scale for gold is going to be lunch low here, and then your second scale is going to be I don't know, but yeah, we'll be looking at gold and NQ today. I'm over NQ, bro. Why would I trade this chop when I can get a 10 handle move on gold? Sorry, 17 handle move on gold. I did, yeah, 8 buff. I did. I think the second one is a little too cluttered, a little too messy, but yeah. Dude, look at how textbook that short was. Wow. So yeah, I would scale like 3/4 here and then leave a runner maybe. I mean, we have liquidity down here, obviously. I mean, there's liquidity everywhere, but I just don't know how far of a pullback we'll get. Honestly, sometimes gold misses lows. So if you want to scale like early, oh, there it is. There's the TP. Wow. So this just printed for 25 handles. Um, for those of you that don't know, one singular MGC contract is like $100 for every 10 points. Every point is $10, I think. So this would have printed for per contract $235. Right? I think. Okay. A dollar per tick. Yeah. The tickers for gold for futures are GCG on Trade of 8 and MGCG. Okay, this is your micro. This is $10 per point or per handle. Okay. And then $1 per tick. Okay. This is $100 per handle. So yeah, 75% out there. You can leave a runner obviously to like this low here or all the way down to AM low. But I think this low is a good place. I I said yeah, this was A plus. So I mean, look at that. It just prints instantly. Why would I trade NQ in this chop when this is just like instantly prints? Yeah, I took it on evals. I'm just messing around on eval, guys. If I find consistency with gold, I'm gonna be trading both NQ and gold. I'm done. Like, oh, it's not NQ. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have the data. Okay. I mean, when you can get a move like this on gold in literally a minute, it's like why would I keep trading NQ? I made $150 last night on gold. I took a loss and a win, and I guess that's a win. Won't put it in the alerts, but yeah, we'll find something on NQ today as well. Um, Let me just make sure that I can actually trade on Trade of 8 today. All right, yeah, my order got filled instantly. All right, cool. So yeah, Trade of 8's fine. Should be good for FOMC. IFVG's on gold. Yeah, I'll probably trade. I'm just gonna be trading like when there's obvious short opportunities and obvious long opportunities using CISDs, OBs, and IFVGs. Um, Also, looking for opportunities to trade back to unfilled inefficiencies on gold is apparently a really smart play. Um, Unfilled for value gaps tend to get balanced a lot more on gold than they do on NQ. And liquidity isn't as important on gold. So I've been told. I've been talking to somebody that trades gold with ICT, so I've been trying to figure things out a little bit. What's my bias from here? Yeah, let's do some top down analysis. We'll kind of keep gold off to the side right now, but let's focus on NQ. So with NQ, it looks like we were trying to go for all time highs this morning. We're getting a bit of a pullback now. If we take a look at the 4 hour, we're still respecting that. My bias is kind of going to be up to whatever the FOMC news release gives us. We have a 15-minute inverse here, so I guess I'm mostly neutral. Let's figure out what our liquidity is. We have this unfilled 1 hour here. Okay. And then we have these lows below here. I believe we've taken out our session liquidity already, correct? Where did my ICT kill zones and pivots go? Oh, it's right here, okay. I have everything, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, and then we just took out previous day high there. It's not really important. Okay. Maybe the equal lows. Something to consider still, right? We still have these on the chart, so maybe for FOMC we'll go for these. And then maybe get along from this obvious gap here. Something potentially. We have this 30-second long here. A lot of momentum. Obviously, I'm just going to wait for FOMC to come out at 2. I'm not going to take any trades before that on here. This play on gold was just way too obvious. He's made more than that this week, Fahrenheit. In the last 8 days, Brian Stonk has made over $2.5 million on his apexes. This is why we're not trading before FOMC. I mean, this wasn't an amazing trade, right? The gap's not obvious, but I mean, that's not good price action, right? Guys, honestly, I think I just got to stop caring about risk management with prop firms. I just got to become like an influencer like Brian Stonk and just full port every account and then gamble and get lucky and then just start full sending every single play I take and hope that after my 1,000th eval and 600th funded that I finally get a 2.5 mil payout. What do you guys think? I feel like that could be the move. Get like 60K followers on trading Twitter and just full port every account and just hope I get lucky. You don't think he blows a lot of accounts, Fahrenheit? He's just him? He's really just him? Damn. He said he's in his hundreds of Apex PAs. Interesting. Well, which is it? Is he in hundreds of Apex PAs or is it? Because that's what I thought. I thought he's been. Yeah, exactly. MK. Yeah. He's net positive. He's net positive. But what I'm saying is he has a completely different mindset with prop firms than we do. We have to take care of our capital because we can't expunge thousands of accounts like he can because he's an affiliate or he has unlimited money, right? We have to worry about like our expenses. He doesn't have to. So he can do this over and over again. But the thing is, that's not but the thing is if we all tried to do this, we would get banned for it. Tell me what his live account balance is versus his prop firm balance. And if his live account balance is considerable percentage gains, okay. His live account's at 2.5 mil. What of that is profit? Trade rate's still down? No, I just executed a trade. It was fine. Over a mil. Okay. So he's a legit trader. True. Fair enough then. If his live account does he have broker statements? He posts his Robinhood stuff. Interesting. You'd think that somebody with 2 mil in a live account would be not trading on Robinhood. But hey, whatever. What up, Apoff? Yeah. Sync the charts. What do you mean? Like have the crosshair go across multiple charts? Or what are you talking about? Oh, yeah, I don't know. I think you have to adjust the time manually. I don't know. That's what I've always done. Can you not trade gold futures with MFFU? I don't know. I can with Lucid. All right. How did the AM stream go? I wasn't there for AM. Huh. Nice. Yeah, I know, Snipes. That's I caught the long last night after I tried the short. We're taking out the funnest today, right? Yeah, 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 for sure. No, Brian Sonic apparently, according to Fahrenheit, who seems to have a lot of experience hanging out with him or whatever. He's the guy. He's the man. So I don't know. I'm guessing the situation will update. I mean, hey, if we see the funds pass to Brian Stonk from Apex, I'm sure we'll hear about it. So, Lucid, I know for sure. Yeah, tournament on Lucid works fine. I just entered and exited position, no problem. 14 minutes till FOMC. What up, Fig? What about Alpha? I don't know. 6 letters. Apex banning all the profitable traders so they can have enough money to pay that guy. Yeah, true. Um, I trade at 2, and then I'll stop trading at 225 Belisa. That was my AM. I didn't trade. True. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I might need to move to Puerto Rico. It might seem to be the play. I think the water down there is different. I think the air there is just it's just does something to traders. Do we get 30 seconds slash 1 minute IFG plays on FOMC? Never traded it before. Yes, we do. I'm not full porting evals, not an FOMC. Sounds good, Seb, for sure. Yeah, but with my newfound trading profits, I can build myself a hurricane bunker. Work meeting during FOMC. Do these people not trade? I guess so. True Fahrenheit. Got a bias for FOMC? I do not. No bias. Yeah, dude, I'm just not on the same level as any of these other people, man. I need to like lock in. Yeah, retry could be a good one. Oh wait, that doesn't work. There's no R there. I need to think. It could be like ride. Okay. RUE. So start at 150. Will you be looking at NQ for news or just GC? I'll be looking at both. I have both pulled up. Like I guess cruel. Yeah. You saw the AM trades I sent? Um no, I didn't. Oh no, I didn't, sorry. What's our plan? Wait for news release at 2. Look for OSFL setup after the data candle. Maybe look for a gold play. And then I don't know. Probably wait until he's done speaking at 3 to take another play. I don't like that short. We didn't even close below that second gap. And those conditions look bad. Um Second short is not good either. We didn't sweep liquidity. Yeah, but conditions, right? So let me go back to that. So like, okay, what's our draw on liquidity here? Why are we shorting? We have buy side above still. We had relative equal lows. So where do relative equal lows line up? What type of liquidity would they be considered? B tier or C tier? It depends, right? I mean, these I would consider like if we look at the 5 minute, okay, they're still there. If we go to like the 15, they're still there. We have an SMT there. So we're looking at this low here. Okay, so because the relative equal low forms at an SMT, it's not that good. So this is C tier liquidity. You want to wait for every time frame to close below here, and especially if there's a BPR, in my opinion. And we don't really get delivery. Like, yes, we're respecting this gap to the left, but we don't have the sweep there. And then same thing with this one. It's like, yeah, okay, but no liquidity sweep. And you're still holding this gap to the left, so it's internal versus external. So you have to wait for this one to break. And then when this one breaks, that's when price goes, right? It's when this gap BPR here breaks. That's when price really runs, right? It's not until then. This trade is not good. This trade's not good. Personal opinion. Dodge is gonna trade with us. Maybe we'll see. This looks like internal versus external. This trade we didn't close below the BPR, and these conditions are mid at best. And we don't have a good liquidity sweep. And we leave buy side above. I don't know. Unmitigated 4 hour below? Alright, let me check that. Okay, so we had this one here, I guess. I mean, we already kind of balanced it, but yeah, because this is series. Yeah, we're gonna trade after the news comes out at 2. Okay, so right now I'm like eyeing being bullish because we're respecting that 4 hour gap to the left, and we have a good reaction. But I don't know. I have no idea what FOMC will do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Sis. I have no idea. I mean, maybe if I was there live in person, Apoff, I'd feel different. But hindsight, it just doesn't look that good. Why would we target buy side? Because bullish order flow, and we have an unfilled 1 hour gap here, and like 50% retracement could make sense after this dump. Kind of lines up with that gap. And we have this high here, this obvious high inside of a fair value gap. And we continue to respect lower time frame bullish order flow here, respecting these bullish PDRAs all the way up. That's kind of my idea for now. We do have this nice like LRLR kind of forming though. What about the 15-minute equal lows on the left? Yeah, these could be important too. But right now, while we're respecting bullish order flow, they don't matter. We need to see price really death candle and get like a nice break of structure at this low in order to like confirm that. I think dream scenario would be to look for a short after price hits 50 or takes out that high inside the fair value gap. That's what I would be doing. Waiting for the short. Have I been in the Wordle yet? Yeah, we got it. It was cruel and 4. Do I look at specific time frames for a change in order flow? So higher time frame starts at the 15, lower time frame is anything less than the 15. So you can kind of determine higher time frame and lower time frame from there. And then when I find a gap, that's my condition, and that determines what like order flow will be until a specific low or specific condition is met after that. So like right now, my condition for the longs was this 15-minute gap getting inversed, right? And then ever since then, we pretty much just been bullish. We violated the inverse, but I mean, still, didn't hit the low again. This is typical though for lunch and like FOMC. Because once we inverse this 15, we should just go to this high now. That's so annoying, Seb. Why'd they take it from your account? Was that like in eval or funded? How many contracts did you size? 50 micros? And what, a 50K? Well, yeah, you violated the sizing. There's scaling for the 50K, so you have to only trade, I think it's up to 2 minis per account until like a certain amount of profit. Not letting me be big dog? Okay. I can't tell if you're joking. If you're serious, yeah. So there's a scaling rule. There's like it's like hidden. It's not like they don't like let you know until after you violated it. Are y'all full porting? No, I'm not. What up, Black Sand? Okay, well that was a candle on micros at least. Trade of it is normal, yeah, for Lucid. What up, dude? I have no idea. Probably up and then maybe down. See, this is why we don't do passing on FOMC. Was this a big enough candle for FOMC? No. No. Yep. How was this morning? Other than like obviously the trade of it issues. Gotcha. Yeah, I did the same. Except I didn't trade. Silver long. Let's check gold here. We'll be trading gold this afternoon if you'd like to join us. Okay. We caught this short. Look at this 5 minute short we got. What time am I trading gold? Well, I'm looking at it right now, but I'm just trading eval. I'm just collecting data. I'm just seeing how everything operates. I've been working with somebody. Asia Open is best for gold. Yeah, that's what I've been trading. I've been trading that every night. Okay, so we came up. Did we hit that 15-minute high? No, we missed it. Okay, but did we get an SMT there? We did not. Okay, great. So we kind of have a short right now. It's kind of a death candle. What do you think, Dodgy? All right. I don't know what Steve's system on gold is. Fair night. I'll talk to him, but no, I'm not talking to Steve. So there's the 1 minute. Obviously, probably break even at this low is obvious. I mean, technically the break even's already hit, but wow. Yeah. So scale there. Yeah, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The 15-second. Pretty good OSFL, actually. The 15-second there. Yeah, I guess we left the data high. Relative equal highs. Maybe we hit the low now, guys, and we get a long two. We rejected this 30-second BPR on that short move. Are y'all on Funnins right now? Yeah. Yep. All right, let's see these lows hit. Maybe we get a long as well. Looks like probably break even on the rest for that 1 minute. And then, I don't know. What up, Tommy? There is a 2 minute long. Okay, we have an SMT at lunch lows. ES kind of hit everything, hit low a day. I actually don't mind this. I really don't. Kind of the idea here. Yeah, gold, 30-second two. Yeah, so the 2 minutes not going to appear on your micros chart, but it does appear on NQ, obviously. The next 2 minute close will be in 50 seconds. Looks like the stop would be about like 30-ish points, 35-ish points, maybe 40. So it kind of looks like negative risk to reward. You'd have to hold for higher. You could hold for like 1-to-1 here. That's what I would do. Yeah, you could try holding for midnight. Or you can wait for the lows here. Up to you. We do have a nice 30-second short that just triggered. Wow. Um, this could work for a continuation short to the lows. I'm in this. I'm gonna try it. Just light, nothing too crazy. I'm not sizing up in any position right now. This is a short and discount, obviously. I just like the risk to reward on it. I think it's kind of decent from here, right? Like 15-point stop loss targeting like maybe 35, 45 points, something like that. And then if it loses, it loses, you know? This isn't like an A plus setup. This is like an A minus setup, I think. This needs to like death candle now. It needs to form like an OB. If it doesn't, obviously it'll probably be a stop out. Yeah, not really too much we can do right now. Obviously, we still have a data high above, right? How do I choose my stop loss? I pick well obviously I have a hard stop at the high, but I also have my risk defined by about halfway between the most optimal stop and the worst possible stop. Okay, so that's why my risk is like 15-ish points. But obviously not really like bearish here, so um yeah, I might just have to wait again. We obviously still have that data high above. All right, stopping out there for I guess a small loss. Nothing too crazy. It was like 13 points. So I lost about 50 bucks on that. And then I guess we'll just see. We'll just have to wait until I guess the 2 minute here breaks or something happens. Yeah, gold is not good right now. So if this were to dump right now, would this be good price action or bad price action? Like if we got this 30-second inverse, we came back up, inverse the BPR to the highs. Yeah, this would be bad. Yeah, I think we'll get another government shutdown if they can't come to a decision about the Medicare credits or something. I don't know what it is. We're holding to see the 30-minute OB resting above. Oh, yeah, that doesn't matter to me. To me, it's just like, okay, you're trying to short for the SMT break. Which I think I'm right. I think ultimately this wants to head for these lows. This was just poor delivery because maybe we have the conflicting draw above, or maybe we had maybe it was too low in discount or something. But yeah, I think ultimately the shorts here are going to print as long as this 2 minute holds. This is our condition, right? So as long as this holds, we should see the lows hit. If this breaks, then we'll probably see the data high hit. Now we have to wait for 5 minutes along. I don't think so. Now, if it gets to 225 before we get this 2 minute long, I just won't take anything else today, and I'll just take my small loss. Yeah, the press conference will be at 2:30, so we'll be done trading at 2:25, and then we'll resume at like 3 o'clock, like 2:50, 3 o'clock, whatever it is, 2:50 normally. You don't think we'll see the best move after press conference? Yeah, I think we will. That's what I'm saying. I won't trade until 2:50. We need to see like the questions come in first. Yeah. All right, we got 20 more seconds till this 2 minute candle closes. Yeah, 2:50, 2:50 Eastern. I can't hear Dodgy. Can you guys hear Dodgy? I can't. We have a 30-second that might break here.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, I'm taking this 2 minute.
Bet.
That's a banger.
Hopefully. Should be a nice little trade. You see the SMT at the lows?
Nope, and I don't care.
Alrighty.
I'm going to pick up my Glock right now. Just kidding. Got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38.
Yo, low key, this 30-second short. I know we
It
don't want
is
to
a
be
sig.
short.
I thought a Glock. Ooh, this 30-second short looks good too.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say too much,
Yeah,
guys.
this
Just
looks good.
just do your thing. Trade with your bias
This
and
should at
just
least be a break even. This should at least be a break even trade.
yeah. Break even at the equal lows probably.
Yeah. All right, break even. Not yet.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Dude, sweep of the highs delivered from the 2 minute.
All right, go break even here.
Okay, bet. Alright, break even. Nice.
Damn. Damn, son. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
I
ooh.
mean, what's nice about this is I don't think there's any roadblocks here on the way down. That 5 minute was a good reaction. Maybe that's why the first short got faked out, was because the 5 minute needed to be balanced. I think the best long is gonna come from the lows, guys. Maybe even if we run the equal lows down here. We just need to get like a good break of structure. They're the equal lows, so that was my like original break even idea, so you should be break even there. Okay.
I didn't even see it equal up.
Yeah, these ones here. They're on the 30-second, I think. Yeah. They're not that important. But we have like equal lows like way lower. I think that's a good place to go break even. So if I get break even now, like it is what it is. Oh, that gold long printed. No, I missed it. Oh my gosh, you guys were supposed to alert it. I go full screen on the NQ chart for 2 seconds and the 30-second long prints on gold. Well, we got CE. I think that's all I would have held for, but that was like 10 handles. Yeah, there's 50. Oh my gosh. All right, this is going to print. Hopefully. Silver? No, I didn't see silver. Gold was better. Oops. There we go. All right. It'd be nice if we could hold this short until the press conference. It could be nice. Then maybe we could get down to 3-6. What was their decision? No change, right? Yeah, no change. Okay, bet. Um, yeah, pretty much. That's what I've been trying out, Giuliani.
Me,
Yeah, I can hear you now.
bro. Oh, there you go, bro. My Discord is cooked.
Dang. Who's still in
When
this
we,
trade because you waited to go break even?
yo, listen.
What up?
Who likes, dude? Lumineers is one of the best groups ever to sing, ever to do it.
You're saying that unironically?
No, I'm just saying.
You're saying that no.
Most wait, stop. Can we please be educational, please? Most of my losses come from trading in this kind of price action where we're just hopping around. Fuck. Yeah, exactly, Elisa. Exactly. You got to look at your winning trades and look at your past winning trades and try to replicate and see what price action looks like during your past winning trades.
Hmm. Well, I got break even. Hey, that's okay.
Dude, you know the bias is long, right?
We'll see. I actually don't think there's a bias right now. Only if that 2 minute breaks.
Bro, it's going to break and we're going to go up to the data highs.
We'll see.
I'm taking 100%.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, if the 2 minute breaks.
Yeah. Why would I not take it, bro? If I didn't take this, and then everyone on Twitter's like, "Oh, I took this. Why didn't you take this loss?" They're gonna call me a scammer, bro. I gotta take it.
Hey, they're gonna call you a scammer anyway.
Probably. I'm the biggest scammer of them all.
Hey, they don't call him dodgy for nothing, right, chat? The 1 hour was inverse down earlier. I have no idea. I mean, I think as long as we're respecting the 2 minute, I think there's a chance we run the lows. Does 2 minute be good to take? I think so with momentum, but now it's kind of getting too close to the press release. So usually when that happens, I'll switch to an account I don't care about.
Dude, low key.
Hmm.
Should I just long here?
No.
Imagine.
I mean, don't let me stop you, but I'm not gonna long here. I'm gonna wait.
I know. I'm kidding. Dude, I just got this truck just beat to me like this giant truck.
I heard that.
Dude, because I'm merging like dude, what the hell? Dude, I'm merging. You know how like you're merging onto a lane? Like I
Yeah,
was like running out of merge and it was like gonna and if I didn't merge, I would have crashed. So I
yeah.
just like merged onto the road right in front of him.
Huh. Hey, 30
What the
second
hell?
short here again.
Dude.
Bro, I just got stopped break even for it to just dump all the way back down. Oh my god. If this is gonna be the one that goes, I'm gonna be kind of upset.
Alright, I'm taking this one, guys. Break even. Break even at and 1 point. Let's go. The break even's one tick away. Imagine.
Yeah. I
Dude,
didn't
what
enter
is it
this one. I
like
gave
doing,
up, guys. This price action's cooked.
bro, this guy in this truck is just looking at me, dude. What the hell is going on here?
Yeah, you just gotta wait here. This is easy.
Bro, I wish I had one of those like walkie-talkie things, and I communicated with the truck driver. So like yelling at him.
Yeah.
I'm getting my Glock, dude. I want to get my Glock. That's it.
All right, guys, it's about that time.
I'm about to guess who just FaceTime me. Who wants to go get something to eat? If anyone can guess, I'll give you a Apex count. No one's gonna get it. No, not Charlotte. No,
Shinobi.
no.
Ooh. Lanto.
Nope.
Ooh, Danny
You
Banks
have
is a
20
good one.
seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ooh, Desi's a good one.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Patrick Whalen.
Nope. 5, 4,
Your
3,
mom.
2, 1. No one got it. Trader Kane.
All right, let's see. Hey, that was
No one got it.
damn. I forgot. I almost went through all of the main guys. Forgot Kane.
He's like the biggest prop firm payout in history.
Not for long.
I'm a J Camp. Oh, my alert just hit. Yo. My 2-minute alert just hit. Are we pumping? Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Not yet. Not yet.
Yo,
Close though.
holy. What? I sent an alert at the top of the fair value gap. I was only going to go on if it hit.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Dude, low key, at this inverse is. Dude, I mean, I'm gonna paper trade this one. I'm not logged in anything right now, but I think this is good for a live account play. Well, at least I'm funded.
1 more minute.
If we get like a good close.
I'm gonna be honest, man. You'll be gambling FOMC, but you're probably right.
Bro, there's no way we don't go to the dead highs, bro. And they're engineered.
Needle, glove, soap. Let me see.
I mean, bro, like, I know my followers are going to take this, bro. I might as well take it with them. You know?
Yeah, let's all get cooked together, guys. One big happy family.
One big happy cooking family. I mean, bro, like, there's an SMT. We have a 2-minute inverse. All right, looks like we're not going to get the close.
Darn.
Is it illegal to, like, show my gun on camera? Like, I probably shouldn't do that, right?
Nah, it's probably against terms of service, though. It's not illegal.
Okay.
Like, remember FPS Russia?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that. Like, am I allowed to put, like, a ski mask on and, like, fake shoot the camera, or is that not allowed?
Bro.
And then listen to some young boy?
Dude.
And then pretend I'm from the hood? All right, that's not allowed, all right. All right, let's see.
Hey, when are you moving to Puerto Rico, bro?
I don't know. If I moved to Puerto Rico, it'd be with Charlotte.
There's something in the air, man. It just makes traders more profitable.
Maybe.
We have a 3 and 5 minute. Yeah, this momentum sucks. I'm not taking this.
Hey, man, if you want to miss out on profits, that's okay with me.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
All right.
Not yet. I need to be convinced in some other way.
Dude, Alora has been on my couch all morning, bro. And she's still sleeping.
Bro, why you got bums
How's
at
that
your
even
place?
possible? Dude, she's like homeless right now.
Damn.
Yeah, I feel so bad. I don't know what to do.
Hey man,
Or like, it's living situation, bro. Or her mom. Dad. Uh, yes, the LARPer. The LARPer. I mean, she definitely deserves some of the hate. I'm not gonna lie, but like, she did it to herself, bro. I tell her all the time, like, you can't be posting all these guys, dude. Like, this is just not a good look for your brand. But if I got raided by Gideon, well, then nothing would happen. I mean, I didn't do anything with her. She says I'm her dad, and she says Charlotte's her mom. Me and Charlotte have a kid.
yo, what is happening this PM? All right, 2 minutes
What's
to watch the
happening? What do you mean?
trigger. Nothing. I'm just hearing you talk about. She's not a minor, right?
No, she's 17.
Oh,
She turns 18 next week.
oh.
Yeah. Uh, uh, uh,
Well, hey, I mean, no comment. No comment. And everyone lost. We all lost together.
Dude, how's the 2 minute not inversing yet, bro?
It's because we're not actually bearish. We want the lows.
Dude, why? Dude, it is so sad. Like in 2024, I say that, and everyone's in comments like is going crazy right now. Like, there's holy shit, dude. The world has changed so much. All right, I just arrived to pick up my Glock, so everyone watch out. Hopefully, this does not have a safety. Just warning you guys. So hopefully I don't set it off by accident. No safety, you sped? No, it's for self-defense. I don't want a safety. I got a SIG. I keep saying Glock. I don't know why. Yo, what do you guys? Yo, wait, this 30-second.
Oh, it's gonna trigger.
I'm taking it.
It's in.
I'm taking.
I'm taking it. It's
I'm
gonna
in.
it's gonna lose. We're all gonna lose money on this.
Target data highs, baby.
Nope, it's gonna lose. No 2 minute close
Let's
above.
go,
It's over. GG.
bro. Go break even at like 171 though, and then target data highs.
I don't know. I mean, I'm sending it, but I don't know. It's over. I hate trading 230 on FOMC, man.
All right, I'm gonna go
I'm
break
break
even.
even,
I'm going
bro.
break even here, guys.
All right, I'm break even there.
And break
Nice,
even. No.
beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade.
So beautiful.
Bro, the 2 minute guys, just trust me. Just wait.
Hey, that was still a good trade though. That was a good break even.
It's all mid. It's all terrible right now. We just have to wait for like the low down here to get swept. Just set alerts, guys. Just... What low? Yeah, I guess this low, sure.
All right, so now, yeah, I'd wait for the 2 minute now.
5 minute?
You guys. So now that we've seen the 2 minute respected as much as it did, you wait for the 2 minute. So
Yeah. Oh, 30-second short.
dude, and the break even saved us. Let's go. How is this a gambling stream? That was literally my model, bro.
No, just so you guys know, I'm not taking any trades on accounts I care about until at least probably 250. This is just Powell speaking and taking Q&A. Like, we have no idea what's going to be said, okay? Just to clarify.
22, but remains somewhat elevated.
Okay, so he's
relative
just
to our 2%
giving our
longer
our
run goal.
stats. All right, and
Estimates
then
based on the consumer
Q&A
price
will probably start in like 5 to 10 minutes. What color is this tie? Ooh, purple. That's bearish.
All right, if there's 2-minute inverses, we're taking this.
I'm taking it on accounts I don't care about. That's where I'm at. This price action is not good. Nine
What?
1 9. I could
Oh, will
see
they
that.
just call me or will they? Oh, all right, but
I could see that sell side of the curve, Joni, for sure.
all right, let's see if there's inverses.
Is Tradebait working? Yeah, Tradebait's been working since I hopped on stream. I took a little test trade.
Is the SMT still intact or what?
At low a day, I think so. Yeah.
Dude, now if the 2-minute close, the 3-minute could close at the same time.
Gloves, rag, bucket, soap. Appreciate it.
Number 87. Sorry.
Bro's picking up his gun and he's getting his number called.
88.
He's like at the deli. 88
Number
says
88.
aviation.
Dude. Sorry. Dude, I'm trying to like alert if I get in or not, but then I'm also trying to be on mute. My number's 89, by the way. So once he says 89, that's me.
Oh,
All right, are you ready, boys?
potentially.
Dude, what else would we be forming if we inverse this? Type in chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-minute CISD/order block as well.
Mm.
So ultra high probability. All right, that's me.
And breaker. What would stop loss be? Like here, low key. Hard stop loss there. We should not come below that low if we're bullish. I think. Honestly, though, guys, like this risk reward isn't even that good. This trade kind of sucks. Unless you hold for like a way higher TP, it's just I don't know. This took like so many times to close. We have to wait another 2-minute candle. Like I'm telling you, just wait till like 250. We'll get like a banger setup then. I mean, this could work still, but. How's gold doing? How's our 30-second long on gold?
Dude, it's not negative RR. How is this negative RR?
Unless we break the
target-
1 minute, we're stuck. And
Ah.
there's a 15-minute high there, I think, right? Yeah. So we need to break this 15 minutes to the left here too in order to expect higher. We could go for AMI maybe.
Dude, if this loses, I'm taking this loss like a man, bro.
This would be like the idea. It's a 0.75. You can hold for like midnight maybe, or just hold for 1 hour. There.
Some of you guys are too worried about losing. All right, let's see. Will we get the entry here?
No.
If we get the entry, let the gamble games begin, maybe. Damn, no way this doesn't inverse, bro.
This close just
Bruh.
bro.
Ain't no way that's an inverse, bro.
We got an S&T at the highs now. We took out the data high on ES. Damn, this FOMC is gonna suck, huh?
Yeah, this is terrible.
Great.
It's really about the press conference and the economy and what we did today, and some ancillary areas, but I'm not going to be getting into that.
Can you say whether the Fed has responded to the subpoenas?
I have nothing for you on that today.
Michael McKee from Bloomberg Radio TV. Have you made a decision on whether you would remain as a governor of the Federal Reserve? And if so, would you tell us what it is? And if not, when might
Yo,
we anticipate?
if J Powell says the word egg, I think my friend wins like
And,
200 bucks.
I really, once again, have nothing for
Oh,
you on that today.
That's cool.
That either.
Why would you want to?
Interesting. Wow, gold is just doing its thing. NQ is doing nothing. Once again. Was there a good long here on gold? Not really. Yeah, not really. Could have taken like a 2022 at the stop of the low, I guess, but that's about it. Hey, how many of you guys know like what the last category is here?
I also bought this. What's that?
Nope, wrong. Is this a real trade? No, this isn't a real trade. You passed 5 evals? Congrats. One away. Could it be like this? One away. Could it be this then? Oh, I lost. Darn. Oh, there you go. Spare me. Spare time, spare tire, spare rib. Wow, crazy. Yep, we just wait another 9 to 20 minutes and then we'll take a play at 3. I can't believe we've already been on for an hour and a half. It feels like we've done nothing.
Six Hotel.
66 Hotel? Wait, what? That sounds like Army code. What are we talking about here? Wait, don't they say 6er though? Or what do they say? For numbers. ES took both data high and low out. Yeah, I know, it's cooked. I mean, look at this price action. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, yeah, for sure, Equilibrium. Yeah, we do this every FOMC, so I don't feel like it's something you gotta be thankful for. I will say, for those of you that have wanted to get in the giveaway and haven't had the opportunity to yet, I'm doing the drawing on the 2nd, so you have until the end of the month to enter your entries for that. How you join is you submit proof of a payout this month, you join PM, or you submit a review on my WAP. Those are your 3 ways to get entered. And then I'm also doing a giveaway for 1 account for anyone who uses my code. I'll just pick somebody random from that. Yeah, submit a review of my WAP. So if you've purchased PM in the past, or you're a current PM member, or you've purchased a one-on-one, I think, or maybe you've been a member of my one-on-one, you can review my WAP.
Dude, are we gonna get this long or what?
I don't
Dude, I
know.
just got the gun, bro.
Hey, congrats.
What the hell?
Oh my god, wait, they really were calling your number for a gun? That's really funny, actually.
What'd you say?
They were calling your number for a gun? There was that many people online?
Wait, say that one more time?
Nothing, dude. Forget it.
Dude, no way I have a gun, bro. What the hell? Is anyone still gonna take this 2 minute long with me?
Nah. Did you have to get a background check for it? Or is this like Florida?
Ah, shit, bro. Ugh. Bro, this is sick.
When's the last
Yo,
time we
can
had a...
you
Yeah, I can hear you now. When's the last time we had a banger OSFL setup? I don't know. Do us face reveal? Go to my Twitter.
Wow, this is terrible.
Yep.
Absolutely terrible, bro.
I will say, your 2 minute... No, it's not going to trigger here. Oh, so close, though.
No.
We got the last inverse there for gold. Gold's probably going to go back to the high now.
Yo, I'm gonna take a starter position here, guys, and then if we get the close, I'm gonna average up. Cause I feel like this is a CISD now. Right?
It was a CISD already before.
No, this is a CISD now. So I'm taking a starter here, and then if we close above, maybe I'll just average up.
No, I'm saying we closed at 1436. We already had it. It closed above the body. We just got like an OB now on top of it. This shit is chop. Yeah, kinda. Oh, also, guys, we have like a lot of earnings after, so I'll probably trade Asia tonight. NQ and gold. I'll probably just take a gold play again, though. It seems to be working. I'm like 2 for 3 right now.
What I might do is I might actually not sell at the GP. I might hold.
For sure, yeah.
All right, I'm averaging in here, guys. Let's go. So we just got the 3-minute close and the 2-minute close. So there's every time frame close.
Yeah,
And then
250.
TP is going to be 26,200. Break even is going to be 185 ish. All right, let's see. Where's the CE of this wick? 171 at 195. Okay, I'm going to go break even here, guys. And then I am going to actually sell all at 26,200. Okay, there's the data high. That is the first TP. I think we do go a little higher though.
Let's see.
Just a little more, bro.
Yeah, you don't really need to hold past that high because stop loss at the body low there on the 2-minute OB.
Yeah, I know. Bro, no way it just edged my TP like that. Are we serious?
Back to the break even now. Damn, that is not a good reaction.
What was the setup? The setup was a one setup for life. This was the first one setup for life we've had in probably like a month. You should be taking every one setup for life you see, you should be taking. The edge of these playing out are way too high. Not to take. But this is like the first one in like probably like 2 months actually. Like a clean one. CSD, 2-minute inversion, SMP at the bottom, manipulation leg.
How do I have my chart set up to watch gold and NQ? You can click here at the top and you can set up your chart in whichever way you'd like. Just have it split right now.
Alright, almost all out.
Dude, I haven't scaled at all yet. I'm probably just gonna get break even.
Yeah, low key, we should not be rejecting this shit. I'm not gonna lie.
Whatever. I don't really care. This setup was just kind of mid. I didn't take it on any accounts I care about.
Dude, this was not a mid setup, bro.
Why? Because it's a data wick?
High, yes.
But we already SMT'd it, bro.
Bro, I don't care. Data wicks with SMTs are horrible, bro.
Yeah, most of the time. I don't even really like this data wick though. It's just okay. I like the relative equal highs though, but we failed to hit them.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why, bro. This is ass. To the data high would have been about a 1.3 yard play. I'm going for like a 1.5. Dude, come on, bro. Okay, we should accelerate here. All right, I'm out. Yeah. All right, that's it for me. Goodbye.
Bye.
Let's freaking go. That was the first one setup for life in like 2 months, bro. Thank God we finally got it again. CISD, SMT at the bottom, manipulation leg. What else? That obvious ask for rally gap that inversed. There's only one of them. I think we go a little higher, but
I'm holding runners here, guys, because
bro, I just got 3 texts saying people took that at my mentorship students.
the 15-minute is really the only thing here that's stopping us. Besides,
Dude, I'm not even kidding.
the 1 hour.
3 people just texted me at the same time, just like sending me emojis.
They're probably in here.
What the hell? All right, I'll see you guys later.
See you, man. Guys, I am cooked. Ooh. Yeah, that's not good. I have my stop trailed. If we come back to like here, I'll just get profit. I'm gonna save myself like 12 points. I don't want to short here though. I think we've taken out both sides of liquidity. I'm over it. This was the game plan right here. Long, then short. We watched it play out. We left the data high. I was expecting to take the data high first and then get the short. Nah, I wouldn't feel too bad about not taking that. This 30-second short actually looks kind of interesting, right? If we consider both sides of the bias here, right? Rejecting the 1 hour gap and 15-minute gap. Right? So there would be the 30-second entry. And then you'd go break even here. This would be considered a mechanical A plus setup. However, the bias is probably bullish here if I had to guess. So I'm not taking it. I'm still going to hold my long. We need to see this 15 and hourly inverse in order to confirm like AM highs here. But if we hold this 30-second, then obviously we're in good shape and we'll become bearish. So we'll see. This 30-second bearish IFVG needs to break for me. Oh wait, it never actually inversed. I just noticed that. Well, oops. Missed it by a tick. I thought we did. My bad, guys. I thought the indicator alerted it. You're going into the high of day. We'll see. We'll see what the 15 and hourly want to do. We should not be taking less than 1 hour plays. Yeah, I'm good. I don't think that was a 1 hour play, but hey, you know, whatever. I mean, hey, it did hit 1R though. It wasn't at the data wick. It was like higher than that a little bit, but we hit it. It was like at like, I don't know, a few points above it. I think we might dump here. I could see that. We just need like the 30-second to inverse. Let's see. Let's see it. All right. Break even for the 30-second now. Because we just balanced a 5-minute gap, so we don't want to see an IO Fed reaction here. We have a 5-minute gap that formed. This setup would also be A plus if we got it. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. This 5-minute could be good, actually. Kind of getting a bullish reaction at the 5 minute. Maybe we're not bearish. That sucks. I was kind of hoping we could get it, but doesn't look like we're gonna. Let's see. See, now I have no idea what price wants to do. The 5 minutes my condition. And the 15-minute gap also to the left is my condition. Whichever one of these breaks will kind of be where we go. If we just range between these two, then obviously that'll just kind of be it. We'll just trade sideways for the rest of the day. Got 25 more seconds till the next 5-minute candle close. Oh, we're gonna get it. Oh, we might actually get it. Wait. Everyone lock in. Oh, come on. Oh, dude. Okay. Yeah, we're getting it. Yeah, I'm obviously gonna try this one. Break even maybe here. Everything broke. Everything broke. That was a death candle. I mean, if this loses, I don't know. This looks pretty A+ to me. Stop loss here at this high.
Yo,
Yeah, what up?
do not take this short.
Oh, too late. Already in.
Damn, bro. Bro, anything more than anyone trades is an absolute dumbass, bro. We already got the play and the move. This FOMC is literally gonna be cooked.
Okay.
All right, goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm just warning you.
Goodbye. Too late. I'm already in. Whatever happens, happens. If it loses, it loses. So be it. Already looks horrible, obviously. I mean, not the reaction we wanted at all there. I don't know. I like this liquidity down here. I guess we'll see. We held to 30? Bruh, you can't be for real. Oh, yeah, this one here. I see. We left equal lows, though. We left equal lows. So we'll see. But yeah, obviously this play is probably going to lose. I mean, instant V-shape back up, so. Oh, well. Bro, I hate FOMC, man. It's not over yet. But it looks bad. What Powell's speaking about now shouldn't matter too much. Because he's already kind of answered, like, the high-impact questions, I think. We did leave equal lows on the 30-second and the 1 minute. And I feel like they're good equal lows.
He was getting wrecked.
It's not over yet.
Dude, Correct.
Believe. Have faith.
Dude, I told you, bro. I told you. We already got the play.
Hey, tell me though that this wasn't a banger setup.
Dude, it was a banger setup, but bro, like, there's more than just being a banger setup.
Hey, we
Being a banger
respected the
set-
1 hour gap. I like that.
Listen, you
I like
learn.
the 15-minute. I like
Listen. I learned how to take banger setups my first 3 years of trading. My last 3 years of trading, I learned how to actually trade.
Dude,
There's
look
a
at the
difference.
reaction off 50.
Yeah, but bro, dude, no. No.
I guess.
You should have taken the one that I taken, then you should have been done.
I did take it, but I don't know.
I know.
I
but
liked it.
I don't know why you didn't stop after.
Well, because I wasn't expecting to get this banger 5-minute play.
We did need 30-second equal lows, but
That's what I'm saying.
dude, I freaking took a wrong turn because I'm watching the chart. Now Kane's pissed.
Oh,
He
no.
says he's gonna blow all my Amex's accounts.
Oh no. Well,
Can I explain how that trade is a one setter for life because I had a data high and it was obvious as hell, and we inversed the only 2-minute that was holding for like a full 30 minutes. And whenever we respect a gap a million different times, and then we finally break it with good momentum or CIST, it usually works. So it was basically just drawing liquidity, and then the fact that we were rejecting, and finally we broke it, which tells me, okay, we're finally going to go up now.
I guess technical stop out there. So I guess that's the trade.
Rip if you didn't take the trade I took and didn't stop after.
Yeah.
The long was luck, bro. Are you serious? I've been trading for 6 years, bro. I've taken the same trade 50 times. I've probably taken that same trade like 10 times before. Ain't no way that was luck.
Guys, I got baited. I was the liquidity. Oh well. I would still take that 5-minute again, even after FOMC. Even after the data wick's been swept. I just like it
Bro's
too
trying
much.
to cope.
No, I'm not coping. I'm just chilling. Remember, guys, we do have earnings after hours, so if we start to get really manipulated here, that's probably why. And then after
Dude, aren't
the
I the
earnings
best?
come out, it'll be great.
Aren't I the best paper trader, Mr. Fahrenheit? I wish I made some real money on that, bro. If only. Bro, dude, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, when do you want to play Fortnite?
I don't know. When do you want to play?
Maybe tonight.
Yeah, if you're on, I'll be on.
But and then we'll look at Gold Asia session.
I will be looking at Gold Asia session.
Dude, imagine we like take a win and then we take a play in gold. That'd be sick.
That's my plan. Did we finish connections? Yeah, we lost.
Dude, connections the other day, like 2 or 3 days ago, I didn't even get a single one.
Yeah, that was horrible. I know exactly which one you were talking about. We got
Yeah.
like to the last one, or the second.
None of
last
them
one.
made sense.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Diamond. If you just want a link, here, this link gives you all the different earnings. And then yeah, obviously the big ones are Mag 7, right? So we have Tesla, Meta, Microsoft today. Obviously, big deal. We have Apple tomorrow. So. Yeah, or their X account. Why is Gold Asia session the hype right now? I don't know. I've just seen a lot of other people been making money on it, and I want to try my hand. Collect some data. Adapt. I don't know. Well, now what? I guess we just watch price do its thing, see if we can inverse this 15-minute to the left. And then if we really start moving, maybe see price come back to the highs. Taking the 15? No. But, I mean, I'm happy with that stop out, I guess. I did lose 124 per account on that trade. But it honestly could have been worse. I'm not too mad about that. Did I take anything during AM? Nah, I didn't. Oh, Channing, nice. Why is the 15-minute inverse not good? Because the stop loss is kind of big for me, and I don't really take plays too much off the 15-minute, and there's also a 1 hour that could hold still. I really don't hate the setup I took. I actually really like it. I would take that again. I think it's just like, I don't know. I mean, obviously we've taken out a lot of the draws, but this looks like liquidity to me. And the fact that we held the 1 hour there seems bearish, so. Yeah, I mean, gold and silver were obviously probably easier to trade. It ran back to the high after we got the 15 inverse there, like I said we would. By the way, guys, I've been long IAUM since I sold my gold coin last week, and I'm already up, I think like 8 to 9% on it since I was buying, so that was good. I don't know why you would do that, Striker. It's just gonna institute more fear. Meta, I just rotated the money in the gold coin into an ETF instead. I have gold long term, Bitcoin long term, and then like SPY or QQQ long term. I did take profits though, Meta. I'm not gonna lie. I did miss out on some of this move. I only put about 60% of the money I got back in. Wow, Meta, that's cool. All right, well, sounds good. So the reason why Dodgy probably doesn't like this 5 minute is because the last good draw was swept when we took the NQ data high. And so everything after probably isn't going to be as high probability. Okay. So he's talking about taking this in terms of liquidity. For me, this is an A+ mechanical setup with a lot of momentum coming into the last hour of the day. So I'm looking at price coming down to run these lows, and then maybe we get like power of 3 at 350 to put in the daily wick to create a bearish candle on the daily. Okay. Because this overall seems bearish, right? Unless we inverse the 1 hour, and then obviously it'll probably be a bullish daily candle. But we were respecting the 1 hour at the time, and that's what kind of made me bearish. This was like a very bearish reaction to price taking the high. Did I take a trade? Yeah, I took the 5 minute short. I also tried the, what was it? There was like a 30-second in here somewhere. I was just messing around. It was like after 2. Oh, it was this, right? I tried this, and this lost. Just trying to chase to the lows here. Continuation short, which ultimately was the right idea. Like, this play kind of worked. I tried this too. I got break even on it. And I still think that this short could be the right idea, because look at this reaction that we're getting. And we have the equal O's now below, so we did not close above the 15. We didn't even close inside the gap. At this point, though, I think I'm going to be done. I'll just tape read and watch. But yeah, this looks interesting, I guess. Theoretically, like, I don't know, resweep of the high here, take the data lows, or equal lows, sorry. But yeah, no 1 minute close. Gotta wait for that. No 3 or 5 or any of that to worry about. Oh, I guess there's a tiny 5, but probably not something you need to worry about. All right, I guess we'll see. Nah, Will, I'm good, bro. Am I trading NQ after earnings later? I'll trade both. Yeah, I'm gonna look at both. There's the 1 minute there. Your break even for this would be like here, I think. It's low inside the 30-second. This would kind of be the idea. To start. But obviously not taking it, just tape reading. Exactly. I don't know why I lost in space. It shouldn't. I mean, the conditions now for shorts are just not that great. I think we're just in bad price action. I mean, I will say the one thing is we swept out the previous high there with the turtle soup reaction, and then we have equal lows below. And we're still respecting this gap to the left, so I don't know. I think there's a case where we become bearish here, but overall, like this FOMC, I just don't think was very good. 30-second on silver. What do you mean? Oh, like a long? I think I'm okay. I mean, it might work. Equal highs, I guess. Yeah, sure. Wow, look at this V shape on silver, dude. Why didn't we just trade silver? Look at this 15-minute. Hey, whatever. NQ is just such a piece of shit, man. Why do I have to deal with this? So we're probably just manipulating for news. If I had to guess, maybe we get some volatility at 350, but I imagine we'll probably just chop until then. So I think I'll get off in like 10 minutes here because I really don't think there's anything else for us today. I'll keep an eye on the charts though. If I see something, I'll alert, of course. But yeah, it's just obviously like not great price conditions right now. So best to just wait, come back later, take another setup, win on that. APOP, yeah, I like the 5-minute short. I took it as well. Silver delivered paper. Oh yeah, we hit the equal highs off that. Nice. Not really a great IPG setup, but I see the vision. Oh, I have no idea, Seb. I haven't looked into it at all. Yeah, I had the same target. This to me was a mechanically A plus setup, APOP. Targeting the relative equal lows created at session liquidity. I had my stop at the 1 minute high there too, by the way. So when price, the hard stop, if it would have hit this high before inversing, I would have been stopped out. But we got the clean stop out there, the optimal one. So I only lost like 120 on that, which honestly is totally fine. Yeah, just same thing as TradingView, right? Oh, you just click on the chart, by the way. Just click on the chart. Like it's almost the exact same thing as TradingView. You might have to adjust the settings. Like maybe your chart settings are weird. Do you have continuous auto fit on maybe? You might have continuous auto fit, so go to chart settings in the top of like the thing and then turn off that. I'm 2 for 3 right now, Fahrenheit. I'm up like $900, I think. It doesn't work. Oh, I don't know. I'm just looking to buy and discount, sell and premium. Look for confluences that align with basically pullbacks to unfilled inefficiencies. Where's that continuous auto fit? So when you hover over the chart, there will be like this like boxes along the top corner, okay? One of them is in chart settings. So it's like next to time, there's 2 boxes to the right. That's chart settings. Click on that. Then click continuous auto fit. Just turn it off. The only thing, Ape off. The it's saved within the app itself, I believe, because when I went to a different platform, I had to adjust the settings when I went to like on my new PC or whatever. The funded futures flex, it's 80/20. Max out the Lucids first, and then if you want to try those out, you can. They're a little more expensive than the Lucid Flexes, but yeah, they're just basically a worse version of the Lucid Flexes. They're still, I mean, good rules, though. Yeah. I think it's to the hardware, not to the account. I'm telling you guys, like shorts here could be the move. I just why this play stopped out, why the 5 minute short stopped out, I don't know. But we're still respecting this 15 1 hour gap. Just the 5. No, I haven't tried to trade anything else. I'm done for the day, lost in space. I think this is just gonna be bad price action until earnings. I'm done. I'm done trying to try this short. We can't get it done. CBD is going down, but price consolidating is not great for shorts. CBD. Wow, silver is just gone. Oh my gosh, dude, gold is just gone. It can be choppy like this from time to time, Andy. Usually it's better than this, though. This is a bad FOMC. Oh, it's kind of like a volatility index almost. Not even, no, because volume isn't directly correlated to volatility, but it's like, okay, I see what you mean. We want to see the delta increasing, not decreasing. The delta, I mean. Yeah, exactly. Alrighty, that was one of the PM streams of all time for sure. I'm probably gonna wrap up here, guys. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Not worried about it. Me and Dodgy might hop on, maybe stream some Fortnite or trade some gold during Asia session. I gotta find a way to get back this $140. So if you guys or if we end up doing that, you know, maybe check in later around like 7:40. That's when I'll be on. But yeah, other than that, good luck if you're gonna keep trading this. It's against my rules to keep trading this, so I really can't. I've kind of taken 2 losses already. I mean, one was a lighter loss, so I could like say like, okay, maybe one more, but honestly, I don't really like the price conditions, and I don't want to like try my hand at something else. You know, I can always preserve capital and come back a different day. So remember what we talked about yesterday: preservation of capital first, make money second. Not too worried about it. I watched an A+ setup lose, so I'm fine with it. But yeah, other than that, I suppose I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Alrighty. Peace out, guys.